3 things to improve cha-cha-cha.
So 3 things to make your social dance look more professional. So for example, if we're dancing cha-cha-cha in social way, so we have 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. So number one, to make it look more professional, try keeping your feet on the floor all the time. So you're dragging your feet on the floor, the feet never leave the floor. 2, 3 feet always stay on the floor, cha-cha-cha. Feet always stay on the floor, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. So number 2 things what you would like to do, it's actually straightening your legs as they arrive on the floor. So you drag your feet on the floor, straight your knee, cha-cha, 1, straight your knee, cha-cha, 1. And number 3 thing what you can do, it's not only using your beautiful feet and legs, also add a little bit hip action to it. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. So those 3 easy tips to make your cha-cha look more professional. Follow for more.